Hello everyone, welcome to the algorithm series. In this section, we are going to discuss about how to check a character is a vowel or a consonant. This is how the program will be. When we run the program, it will ask user to enter a character. Let's say the user enters A. Then there is a message displayed that A is a vowel. If user enters R, then the output will be R is a consonant. Same goes for all vowels or consonants. Let's discuss the solution and the pseudocode. So first we will get a character. Now what we have to check is the entered character is A, E, I, O or U, then it is a vowel. Otherwise it is a consonant. Because we have to check conditions here, we can use if or switch case in the respective programming languages. But here we are going to try the pseudocode, so we are using the if condition. And because we want to check more than one condition, that is actually 5 conditions to be precise for A, E, I, O and U. So we are going to join each condition with OR. Why are we using OR? Because here we have to check that character, that is the variable ch, has A or I or U or any other value. So at a time, not all values can be inside this variable. So we are joining the condition using OR here. So we'll say if ch is equal to A or E or I or O or U, then we'll print it is a vowel, otherwise it's a consonant. So this is a very simple logic behind it. Of course, there is a possibility that when the user enters a character, it may not be small case. Let's say the user enters capital A. Now here we do not have any condition which checks in the pseudocode that it is capital A or not. To implement that in respective programming languages, there are various functions which can convert the value of variable into uppercase or lowercase. Let's say I can update this pseudocode for the moment. I'll simply convert ch is equal to lower. Assume that there is a function called lower of ch. So whether the user enters small case or capital, that will be always converted into small case. So here you have checked all the conditions for small case only, that is lower case only. So depending on the programming language, you can also apply this lowercase function to convert the value into lower, and then you check the lowercase value only. So now let's try the coding practically. We'll take a variable and we'll have a function to get the value. We'll have the prompt statement to get a character. Now we are going to put an if condition. Variable ch, we are going to check whether it is A, E, I, O or U. Then we print ch is vowel, otherwise it's consonant. So now let's try the lowercase values. So as you can see, let's enter A. It says it is vowel. Let's enter U. It says it is vowel. Let's enter Y. It says it's a consonant. Now these values which we have entered so far are small cases, that is lower cases. Let's try to enter a value capital A. Now it says consonant. Now let's try to apply the lowercase logic here. So after the input of character, I will convert the character into lowercase. So now let's try ch dot to lowercase to convert the value into lowercase. Now let's run the code again and we will try to enter capital A. Now it says it's a vowel. So this is a basic logic to convert the value into lowercase, because you are checking lowercase in if condition. If you can write capital A in if condition or capital values, uppercase values that is, then you can convert it into uppercase. That's the whole idea behind keeping the single condition and converting the value smartly in respective cases.